Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect remote desktop gateway logins with convenient Rublon multi-factor authentication using mobile push. In this user-friendly authentication method, Rublon sends a push notification to your phone. A single tap is all you need to approve or deny a login request. The push notification includes information like username, IP address, location, date, and time, which helps ensure that the authentication request comes from you. I open the remote desktop connection client and enter my username and password to connect through the RD gateway. Now Rublon sends a push notification to my phone. I review the details in the push notification and tap Approve. And my remote desktop session is initiated. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, phone call and SMS, email, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enable secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon multi-factor authentication.